Ignition engine waking up the block. Time is checking out, I ain't looking at the clock. Made it out the dirt, now the table set for 10. Wolves at the door, but I never let them in. Suits tailored black, yeah, we dressing for the kill. Climbing up the mountain just to stand up on the hill. See the fear inside their eyes when I pull up in the Benz. I only trust the code, I don't bank on making friends.
This is for the brothers who stood out in the rain. Took a little loss just to find a lot of gain. We don't talk about it, we just handle what is ours. Build a kingdom up from the battle and the scars. Yeah!
Double down, never fold, cards on the deck. Respect is the currency, I'm coming for the check. See the flash, hit a bang, then it's fading in the black. Got the weight on my shoulders, got the city on my back. They plotting on the low, but I see it from the high. Eagles don't fly with the pigeons in the sky. Iron in the waist, keep the peace with the noise. Separate the man from the loudmouth boys.
Heavy is the crown when you're sitting on the throne. Build it from the bottom on the muscle and the bone. We don't need permission, no, we take it by the throat.